Hi, I'm Sean. I have been living in Singapore all my life, so that will be like 38 years now. I'm actually a student affairs practitioner in NUS. Last year the haze was quite bad. It's not new to us anymore, so I kind of got used to it. I try to avoid being out too much. It's something that it's really very difficult for us to control, and it's a government to government thing. Right, I think as normal citizens, we can just hope that our government do something about it. There's nothing much we can really do. Consumers do have some power, but I don't think consumers in Singapore are very savvy to know what product actually goes into what they buy. Because of that, I don't think it's not going to change much on a consumer level. I guess it's difficult to get everybody to turn off the light. My child was very young, still very young last year, so we had to keep her indoors most of the time. Turn on the aircon almost the entire day, but I think if she has to get out, she has to get out, and there's no way you can avoid haze. Wear a mask, but we try to minimize exposure, and I think that's the best we can do for now.